Hello viewers. How are you? This is Rishi. When you become a vegetarian, you lose some of the most important proteins, vitamins, and minerals that you normally get from meat. These nutrients are essential for the proper functioning of the human body. So if you are already a vegetarian or aspiring to be a vegetarian, you should take such nutritional supplements to avoid malnutrition. In this video, I will teach you 10 tips that can help you get the nutrients you need daily. 1. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Add more fatty acids to your diet. Getting the right amount of omega can help prevent or control inflammatory conditions such as heart disease, muscle wasting, and autoimmune diseases such as arthritis, eczema, and psoriasis. If you add lactose products, fish, and eggs to your daily diet, you can get enough fatty acids and no plant supplements. But if you are a complete vegetarian, you will have to consume more vegetables and nuts to get the proper fatty acids. For example, you should eat more green vegetables, flaxseed oil, chia seeds, and walnuts. If you feel that your diet is not complete, take vitamin supplements. 2. Obtaining macronutrients. Add more fat to your diet. Fat helps absorb fatty acids such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. Fat acts as a building block of essential nutrients for the body and is essential for cell regeneration. Fat, which provides anti-inflammatory properties, helps maintain a steady heartbeat and regulates cholesterol. Eat 30-33% fat daily and try to get the unsaturated fat found in nuts, and fruits. You should get 1/3 of your daily fat intake from monounsaturated fats such as coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and almond oil. Another 1/3 should come from polyunsaturated fats such as granola, sunflower oil, aliphatic oil, and walnut. 3. Get vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, a water-soluble vitamin in the vitamin B family, is essential for the proper functioning of the brain and nervous system, as well as for the formation of blood and DNA. Because vitamin B12 is found only in animal foods, getting vitamin B12 can be a challenge for a vegetarian. It is the only vitamin that vegetarians should take separately as a dietary supplement. Sometimes soy milk, cereals, nutritious yeast, and meat substitutes contain artificial vitamin B12. 4. Get vegetables and whole grains for protein. There is a misconception that people who eat only plant foods do not get enough protein. The amino acids that make up protein cannot be produced by the body and must be taken externally as food. Meat, dairy products, and eggs as well as amino acids are found in plant foods such as quinoa, tofu, broccoli, brown rice, beans and peas. On average, you should consume 0.41 grams of protein per pound of your body weight. 5. Get extra salt. Iodine, commonly found in fish, is a component of thyroid hormone, which is essential for the body's growth, metabolism, and proper functioning of other vital organs. Vegetarians do not get enough iodine on a daily basis, which can lead to gallstones later in life. Soybeans, cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and sweet potato cause gallstones. Add 1/4 teaspoon of iodine sea salt to your daily diet to prevent iodine deficiency. 6. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone and muscle health, as well as for the proper functioning of the immune system and nervous system. People who eat lactose in animal products can get vitamin D from cheese, milk, eggs, and yogurt. But people who are on a strictly plant-based diet can get vitamin D from soy milk, soy yogurt, orange juice, cereals, mushrooms, and any plant food that is artificially supplemented with vitamin D. 7. Add more calcium to your diet. Calcium is found mostly in meat and dairy products. Calcium found in soy and rice drinks, oatmeal, beverages, and cereals is very similar to the calcium found in cow's milk. If you are a vegetarian who does not even consume animal products like milk, you can get calcium from the following methods. When we buy calcium include products, check whether the label says fortified calcium and the amount. because fortified calcium is the artificial content of calcium in foods that do not contain calcium naturally. If you think your diet does not contain enough calcium, take calcium supplements. Or you may have hypocalcemia or calcium deficiency. It can lead to a number of serious health problems such as muscle trauma, seizures, and kidney failure. In addition, green leafy vegetables and other green vegetables are generally sources of calcium. 8. Get enough iron and vitamin C. Iron is an essential nutrient. It is a component of hemoglobin that is required for the transport of oxygen throughout the body and is found in muscle and tissue myoglobin. Vegetarians generally need at least twice the recommended daily intake of iron compared to non-vegetarians. Iron from plants is not absorbed by the body as quickly as iron from animal foods. Vitamin C is needed to absorb them. Therefore, vegetarians should consume more vitamin C-rich foods such as oranges with large amounts of green vegetables. 9. The perfect cereal for complex carbohydrates. All the foods we eat are made up of the basic nutrients carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are formed at the molecular level, in long or short carbon chains. The type of carbohydrate is determined by the length and shape of these carbon chains. There are two types of basic carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates. These are the smallest and simplest type of carbohydrates. X. Sugar. Because these carbohydrates are easily absorbed by the small intestine, blood sugar levels and body energy increase rapidly after eating. White flour, white rice, and other sugary foods contain small amounts of glucose, which are easily digested and quickly accumulate in the bloodstream, leading to weight gain. Complex carbohydrates. This category includes fiber and starch found in potatoes, oats, bread, and cereals. Starch is more complex, so it takes longer for the body to break it down, and the fiber is not digested. However, they have other health benefits, such as maintaining intestinal motility and providing energy to intestinal bacteria. Avoid simple carbohydrates as they can lead to heart disease and weight gain. Instead, focus on fruits like blueberries, grapes, apples, and starchy vegetables like corn, potatoes, and beans. 10. Consume beans and nuts for zinc. Zinc is an important element needed for immunity, protein synthesis, wound healing, and cell division. Zinc is often found in meat, so vegetarians may not get enough zinc daily. Although zinc deficiency is not so common, it can affect the skin, brain, central nervous system, immune system, and reproductive system. To add more zinc to your diet, soak nuts, grains, and beans well before cooking. This binds zinc and reduces phytate levels, preventing it from being absorbed. In some cases, vegetarians may need to get 50% more zinc than the recommended daily amount of zinc compared to non-vegetarians. Remember that your diet must be tailored to your needs. Be aware by constantly studying to get all the nutrients from the foods you eat. Okay. If you think the video is useful to someone, please like and share. Also, subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are constantly educating you about diseases and your health. Thanks for watching. See you again with another important topic. Stay safe.